I spent about 1.5 years traveling around the world and visiting about 20 countries. Now I am back at an engineering office, and this 5-minute yoga routine I do every morning is one of the only things that's keeping me from burning out and losing my time for the grind. It's reclaim your morning time. And when you're ready, join me in tabletop. Starting with cat-cow. Hands under your shoulders, knees under your hips. Inhale, raise your chin up. And exhale, round your back. Inhale, raise your chin up and drop your belly. Exhale, round your back. Inhale and exhale down. Inhale up and exhale down. Last one. Inhale up and exhale down. Come back to the neutral position. Now we're going to thread the needle. Inhale, raise your right hand up to the sky, opening the chest to the side. And exhale, thread the needle. Inhale, raise your hand up. And exhale, slide the arm under and rest your head and shoulder on the mat. Inhale up and exhale down. Inhale up and exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Now the other side. Inhale, raise your hand up and exhale. Inhale up and exhale. Inhale up and thread the needle. Keep going. Inhale and exhale. Come back to the center, and now you're going to do side turns. So bend to the right until you can see the opposite foot, and go to the other direction and until you see the other foot. 2, 3. I normally just do 5. All right, next, tuck your toes in, move your hands forward slightly, and lift your knees up. And now bring the left leg to the front into lizard pose. This is to give a good stretch to your hip muscles here. Stay here for 10 more seconds. Now switch legs, go back to the down dog, and now bring the right foot forward. Normally, if you can, in the morning, you can also go into a deeper position, but I like to just keep it simple and just stay here, just because I do this when I first wake up in the morning and my body is pretty tight. All right, come back. And now drop your knees and bring the left foot forward to the same position where it was before, but this time you will have your right knee on the mat and take your arm outside so your leg will be in the center, and try to straighten your knee like so, stretching the hamstring. The reason why I do this is when you're sitting down, your hamstrings are basically sleeping and they become short. So I try to start by stretching like this. Switch legs. Now bring the other leg forward and put the arm outside. Just straighten, point the toes up. Try to keep the back straight. All right, next, lay down on the mat. And another muscle that goes to sleep is your glute. So let's activate those. Lay down on your back and you're going to raise up your hips. But one thing I do is lift my toes up and just push with my heels. So this way I'm making sure I'm using mostly my glutes for this push. If you keep the toes on the mat, you're also likely to use your calves. Come down. One more time. Next, put your arms out to a T and wrap your legs around and drop to the side and look to your opposite side. Release and come back. Wrap the left leg around the right leg and drop to the right, and you look to the left. Release. Come back to the center and relax. And that's it. Just a sweet and short routine I do every morning. This is non-negotiable. No matter what I have to do, I will start the day by doing this, just because once I start the day, there are a lot of things demanding or asking for my time. And this is that one moment I give to myself before I give my time to the world and to other people. So just prioritizing yourself, giving some self-love to your body, to your soul, and just having a good start for the day. And I hope this helped you, and try this next morning and see how you feel, and comment down and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.